if you're not using these mini tools in order to save yourself time in your food truck, then you're not going to get to that list of things you always want to do, like better marketing or better sales or updating things or even just spending more time with family. So this menu design assistant is one mini tool that can help you save a lot of time. It's run by ChatGPT on the back end, so it is AI, but all you have to do is click the link, and if you want the link, just comment the word food truck under this video and I'll send you the link directly. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill this out. So you put your menu item. So here I put a duck wrap. Your key ingredients. Now this one's optional, but the more information you give the AI tool, the better job it's going to do for you. So you just put in whatever is in your particular menu item, and then you put your location in. Again, this one is optional, but the idea being if you use localization, it's going to write like somebody from that area. It's not going to write generic AI stuff. It's going to write like a local, and therefore it's probably going to be something that resonates more with you and therefore with the people reading your menu. So all you've got to do is go through and fill these out, and then you hit submit, and as you can see straight away, that quick, you get the output. So what it's done is it's just summarized the information I gave it. And this is useful if you're going to use it multiple times, because I can just go back up now, change this to a second menu item and hit submit, and I could have my whole menu written in just a few minutes. But here I now have a description of what the item is that I can cut and paste onto my menu as it is, or I've at least got a scaffold that's 90% of the way there that I can then edit before I put it onto my menu. And like I said, the better information you give up here, the better information you're going to get down here. So this says, indulge in our delightful duck wrap. So if you've got a full name for it, Chinese duck wrap, ultimate duck wrap, whatever it is, that's what that would be. Tender succulent duck meets rich sweet notes of hoisin sauce, freshly sliced cucumber, crispy spring onions, and refreshing crunch, all beautifully encased in a wholesome whole grain wrap. Perfect for a quick, tasty bite on the go. This wrap captures the essence of London's vibrant culinary scene, where the traditional meets modern flair. Come savour a taste of this delightful fusion. Now, I don't know about you, I wouldn't be able to write something like that in just a few seconds. But the AI has done it here. Like I said, I can tweak it slightly, or I can cut and paste it straight into my menu. If I want to do that, then all I've got to do is highlight this bit, copy and paste, and put it over into my menu, and then go back up to the top, fill it out again, and do another menu item. So if this is something you want to have a go at, then just comment food truck. We'll send you the link and you can have a go at this. We're also going to be building more simple tools like this to save you time in your food truck business. If there's something specific you want us to try and build, if you've got a problem you need solving, just go down to the comments, let us know what it is. We can build that tool. We make a video about it. We'll even send you the link to it directly if you comment on this YouTube video, so you can go straight to the tool and then you'll be able to use it and save yourself time. We'll see you in the next one.